Sound check once again on my Ninja 1000. Here we go. GoPro Hero 8. I hope it is recording properly. Okay. Here we go. Once again. Shoot! Super wide view. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. And welcome back to another beautiful day in the city of Hyderabad. Yes, I'm from Hyderabad. So today, आज के vlog में I'm gonna show you about the motovlogging setup, the cameras that I use for my motovlogging, and how do I mount my GoPro on my helmet. Alright, these are few of the boxes, the equipment required for my these are the few of the boxes which I bought it for the motovlogging setup, the accessories, the cameras, and everything. I'll just quickly run down and show you what all I bought for the motovlogging setup. So for YouTube, the clarity and the content is most important. I'm trying to get the clarity out as much as possible. Content, yes, I'm trying to bring out very much good content as much as possible. So पहले I'll just show you the cameras. ये पूरे accessories है. I'll set this aside. ये है मेरा box where I keep my GoPro cameras. I bought two cameras, to be honest. एक है GoPro Hero 8 Black and GoPro Hero 7 Silver. GoPro Hero 8 Black is my main camera, and GoPro Hero 7 is my secondary camera. Secondary, that's because I might put it on the handlebar to show what's going on with me while I'm riding, and I might mount it on the back to show the rear riders or a different angle using this accessory, which I have already discussed about this in my previous video. This accessory, ये वाला accessory, I can strap it on to different places on my bike, near the exhaust or to the rear handlebar. लगा दो, बस ऐसे लगा दो, लग जाएगा और पीछे के angle के थोड़े shots ले सकते हैं. This is a very good accessory that I found. And for more details, you can go to the previous video, which is in my channel. You can see that. And then I'll keep this aside. This is my main camera, GoPro Hero 8. I'm sure everybody knows it. You might have seen it in different YouTube videos. अच्छा लगा, इसलिए मैंने खरीदा. So before starting my channel, I did little research on what should I get, how do I mount and everything. So there's one video which I used which was very helpful in mounting the camera on my modular helmet. Alright, so mounting का दिखाने से पहले I'll just show you the accessories which I bought. First and foremost, इसका battery. You all know the battery of a GoPro charge stays around 40-45 minutes on a full recording. So उतना तो बस नहीं होगा when you are traveling, and while riding you cannot recharge it. You can, but carrying extra batteries is definitely gonna help you. So for that I bought this. This is a dual battery charger with extra battery, which is this. I've already unpacked it, okay? And another extra battery as well. So I've got total 3 batteries. One which comes along with the GoPro itself, which is already there in this. One battery, and then 2 batteries more. Nice, right? So on the go, when I'm traveling or when I'm riding, at least 2 batteries to consume करता है. So you still have an extra battery with you. So 3 batteries, and this doesn't have a detachable battery, so एक बार यूज़ के लिए ही है, so you have to be a little careful on using this camera. Okay, these are few of the accessories. And for the motovlogging, the most important part, audio के लिए you need this product, which is, where is this, the 3.5 mm mic adapter. ये छोटा पीस कॉस्ट अराउंड 5000 प्लस, एंड इसके बिना ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, राइट? दिस इज द वन. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड एक्सेसरी, बैटरीज, and then the mic adapter, and then the mounts. You have lot of mounts: flat mount, curve mount, mounts. All right. This is one of the mounts. These has 3 parts. One is the mount latch which goes in, and this is the angular, I don't know what do you call that, and this is the 90-degree holder. So abhi I'll quickly show you how do I mount my GoPro camera on this helmet using 2 parts. One, the main thing. So this here, it goes like this. Strong and sturdy. All right. And to this, there are many other mounts. बहुत सारे mounts आते हैं to connect your GoPro camera onto the helmet. J mount, directly you can connect it over here, but here I have a vent, air vent, so I cannot attach a mount over here, and it is not that flat as well, so side में से लगाया मैंने. So this is how it looks. So इसका स्क्रू लगा देंगे, ये वाला लग गया. So अभी ऑडियो के लिए, this the video part is done. Audio part, which is important to capture whatever you're speaking, and it has to be crisp and clear. So for that, there's a mic over here. This is a mic, and it goes around from inside, and there's this mic which comes over here. Okay, so how do I connect the adapter? So ये वाला adapter इसको लगना चाहिए, as there is no door here. If I take this out, if I connect it like this, the battery door is completely open. Battery might fall off. तो इसके लिए here comes another special door, battery door, that is Ulanzi G8-7. Alright, so using this, I'll quickly ये वाला connect कर देंगे, and it gives an option where you can connect your adapter. So this is definitely more important, guys, if you are using a Hero 8, the battery door which allows you to connect your mic adapter. That's Ulanzi G8/7. You can get it online, and then connect this audio cable onto the mic adapter like this. Okay, this is my setup. There's one more option where you can mount your GoPro onto the helmet using a case which is from Ulanzi itself. I'll show you that as well. And this is the case. So this is a metal case, very strong, very sturdy. So this comes out like this, and there's another battery door. You take this completely off. ये पूरा निकाल दो. Alright, this is the mic adapter, and this is how it looks. So if I have to connect it to my helmet, I can easily mount it. ये लग गया. So this, I initially used this. पहले मैं यूज़ करता था ये, but there is a problem with it. The metal case जो है ना, it is very heavy. very heavy in the sense around I believe 100 to 200 grams के आसपास है शायद, and it is adding up to the helmet weight. I took it on a long ride and I found it very difficult to manage the weight of the helmet. That is the reason I bought this another battery door, which helped me take this out and use it without this mounting case. And there is one more use of this Ulanzi case, I'll tell you. So apart from motovlogging, you can use your GoPro Hero 8 camera using this Ulanzi G8-7 housing or the case. You can use it as a vlogging setup. It's very simple. The adapter goes into this slot over here. You connect your adapter using this door and mic ceramic chota wala, which I bought it along with all this setup, and this is how it looks. And vlogging from this, look at the footage. 1 2 3. Alright, so there you go guys. I'm vlogging on my GoPro Hero 8 right now, and this is the difference in the audio quality and the video quality. Alright, so this is how you use it for vlogging. बहुत अच्छा setup है यार. You can take this out anywhere without much of a worry. वो बड़ा वाला DSLR कैमरा ट्राइपॉड बड़ा जो भी का पकड़ना बोलते तो थोड़ा अभी आदत नहीं हुआ, तो इससे थोड़ा आदत हो गया. I'm taking usually this out for vlogging, और ये वाला बहुत easy है कैरी करने के लिए, पॉकेट में भी फिट हो जाता. So this is something which you can use using this Ulanzi case, and vlogging भी कर सकते हैं GoPro Hero 8 से. The mic is pretty awesome. You can check it online. This mic is ceramic SR कुछ model है. I really don't remember. I'll search it on the internet and probably put the link in the description for buying the small mic, which is pretty good. So this is about it guys. This is my motovlogging setup using GoPro Hero 8. आपको information और इसके बारे में जो details मैंने दिया है, if you have liked it and if you feel that this content is worth, then please do click on the like button, ding, and then the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on the motorcycles and the things around motorcycles in the future. Click on that subscribe button and click the bell, the ghanta, ding, and you'll get more notifications about the videos that I do. And yes, apart from this, enjoy your life. The situation right now in Hyderabad is very bad. I know coronavirus चले जाएगा. Just भरोसा रखो खुदा पे, भगवान पे. He'll take care of everything. Just pray, just take care of your health. Use hand sanitizer, use the face mask, use the face shield if possible. बाहर जाने के टाइम पे ज़रूरी है जाओ, नहीं ज़रूरी है मत जाओ. So stay home, stay safe. Alright guys, so here was it. Have an amazing time ahead. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Okay, got an open stretch. 3 2 1 go. Easy triple digits. Easy triple digits. Yes. 140, 150, 150 gear. Fuck man, I don't know. Change the gear. Yes. Super. Super पे ऊपर.